Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1968 Plymouth Roadrunner. Killer little car, guys. Car's out of Alabama, good solid Alabama body. It is a true RM VIN Roadrunner. It's got a little mild built 3-3 with a good sounding little camshaft in it. 4-wheel disc brakes. It's got 18 and 20-inch American Racing torque thrusts all the way around it. The previous owner has put a bucket seat console interior in it. Really just a good looking car. Automatic trans. Yeah, this is the factory color, the color combination. It's MM, which is turbine bronze metallic. I wish we had some sunshine on it so you can see how pretty it is. But just a good looking car. It's got new front bumper on it. Paint slick. Car's got a really good look to it. Of course, it's got the blacked out hood treatment. And when we fire it up, it's got a nice little cam in it. That really sounds good. New front windshield. Rear glass is in pretty good shape. Tail panel's nice. You can, pick at it a little bit. Nice car though, man. Got a good look to it. Nice and flat down the sides. Again, brand new rubber all the way around it, brand new wheels. It's been lowered down 2 inches all the way around. New rear bumper. Nice flat Mopar right there. Yeah, it's got the 4-wheel disc brakes with the slotted and drilled rotors. Man, I wish we had some sunshine on this car. It's got a great look to it. Like I say, healthy 3-3 in it, mild cam to it, Edelbrock 4-barrel. It's got the stock intake and exhaust manifolds. They've upgraded to electronic ignition, power steering, power 4-wheel disc brakes. It's got the 727 torqueflite automatic transmission, Mopar radiator. There's your fender tag. Good looking car. Sorry, I didn't relax on it, guys. A-pillar chrome is very nice. Yeah, let's get some light scratching in the door handles. Bucket seats, console. 68 150 159 on the odometer there. Factory dash, got an aftermarket radio. It's got an aftermarket tack under here, and see the little light, interior lights and stuff works. Some aftermarket gauges underneath the dash. It's Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's an 8 3/4 323 sure grip rear end. Good looking car. Try not to tear this map. They did put a trunk pan in it. As you can see, it's all body color in here like it should be. Looks like it's got 2 new quarters. Solid car underneath. Dash is in nice shape. Again, this was added in '68. They didn't have bucket seats, so they've added those bucket seats with the console. Good running, I mean, just good running. It's got a nice little cam to it. We've ordered a new fuel gauge. The fuel gauge is bad. Tack works. I couldn't get that radio come on. Jay got it to come on. That's why I hate radios. Car sounds good, man. Radio works. I couldn't get it to come on. Jay got it on. Blower motor works. Oh, I got hit tuner. That's what it is. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Have a great day, guys.